few months, and here we go. And McNeely, as advertised, comes right at Mike Tyson. Down goes McNeely. Seconds into the first round. Seconds into the fight, McNeely on the canvas. With McNeely pounding away, Mike Tyson going to the uppercuts on the inside.
Tyson seeming to just hang back there waiting for that one shot. He isn't moving, and he's letting McNeely get away with an awful lot of pounding.
1 minute gone by. McNeely's already been down.
Mills Lane can stop that nonsense because he was starting to butt heads. Oh.
Tyson with a left hook, right up, and down goes McNeely again.
McNeely's hurt this time, Steve. He's very hurt. He can barely stand up. His fight has got about 30 seconds left.
They want Tyson to go to the neutral corner. What's going on? The round's still
that
going
was
on.
not correct. That was not correct. That was not correct.